What is up, guys? MACABESPEED coming at ya. Very spicy episode for the Blitz gang. Testing more ammunition in the 25 caliber Blitz at the 25-yard range. Putting together those solid groupings for you guys. Testing out domed pellets today. Let's get right into this. Alright gentlemen, and just like that, through the magic of movie editing, we are right back out here at the 100-yard range. Let's get right into our 5-pellet mega test of Diabolo pellets in the HATSAN BLITZ 25 caliber, guys. First up, I figure it's a HATSAN rifle. Let's use the HATSAN VORTEX. These are the Supremes, by the way, not the Strikes. Try not to shoot my cranny here. I feel like I'm gonna shoot my cranny. I'm gonna move that cranny down just slightly, gentlemen. That looks a lot better. Let's get right into this with the VORTEX Supremes. Top left diamond. Eight, 9, 7. Eight, 9, 5. Wow. 8, 9, 0. Eight, 9, 1. And 889, very consistent, but it just doesn't like those VORTEX. Up next, guys, FX 25.4. Top right diamond. Eight, 1, 3 on velocity. Ooh, 817. I really like what I just saw. I definitely could have done more there. This is looking good for FX. Now I'm definitely trying too hard, guys. The FX is providing good results, but I'm overthinking this. Let's just settle back into it and finish out the group. Pretty good. And comparatively to the VORTEX, outstanding. Let's move right onto the Air Arms 25.4 as well. Bottom left diamond. Uh-oh. 884. Oh, 885. That's not even close to a decent group. 880. 883. 886. So 2 flyers on the Air Arms, guys. Less than satisfactory in my own opinion. Moving on to the H&N Field Target Trophies. Bottom right diamond. $886. ERR3. ERR3 again. .822. That's a huge spread on velocity. .816. Final group that we have to put down range, guys, RWS Superdomes. Seven, 4, 7. Seven, 4, 3. Seven, 4, 8. Seven, 5, 1. And 750. Alright gentlemen, so after the 5 Diabolos tested in this specific test, the best performing one that I found on my range day today is going to be that FX 25.4. Could not be more pleased with the grouping we were able to put together, as well as the energy seeming fairly consistent across that 5-shot shot string. Because we know we can be accurate, gentlemen, let's go ahead and take this thing out to 50 yards, put one of those Umarex big blast caps on a clear plastic bottle, and see if we can't have a little bit of an explosive ending to this episode. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, we've got some more of these FX pellets loaded up. We've moved ourselves out to 50 yards. I think it's time that we go ahead and put a nice little exclamation point on the very end of this episode, gentlemen. Thank you for sticking around all the way to the end of this one. Let's get right into this. Let's go see what happened. I expected more of a response than that. Alright gentlemen, so as you can see there are pellets left inside of our bottle, but we did not get the reaction I was hoping for. Alright guys, well as you saw in that episode, the FX 25.4 grain pellets really performed well in the HATSAN Blitz at 25 yards and 25 caliber. Can't say enough good things about them based on the price point, the consistency, as well as the number you get in the tin, given the fact that the HATSAN Blitz is a full auto rifle, guys. There at the end, I definitely kind of wanted to blow the doors off of that standing target there, but all the pressure seemed to have gone out the top. Maybe we'll go ahead and put an end cap on the top of that target next time we go out there and see if we can't really go ahead and get that explosive effect that we were after in this first episode, guys. It's gonna be a great place to end today's episode, guys, but if you like today's episode, give it a thumbs up. You want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe for more with that notifications button so that you can stay current on the channel as well as when new videos come out. If you really like this episode, make sure you share it so somebody else can see it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.